This is an alternative method for making the side tab adjusters that I think might be slightly superior. Fold them in half and sew the ends with a 1/2 centimeter seam allowance. We might like to trim a triangle of the fabric beyond the stitching on the folded edge so that it'll sit nicer when we fold it out. We are ironing that seam open. Flip it out and gently push it into a point, making the point symmetrical and ironing it down like that. With the seam we made on the outside, fold it in half again to machine the long edge with a 1/2 centimeter seam allowance. Do the same for both, and with the long tab, we also need to machine the small side with the seam allowance in the middle of the tab, folding the seam allowance open and machining that a little bit back and forth with a 1/2 centimeter seam allowance. Press the whole seam allowances open, flattening the tabs gently into arrows. We could brush them with a bit of tailor's soap here just before we turn them out to hold the tabs flatter later. We can use a knitting needle, or in my case a chopstick, to flip the tabs out, but whatever you can do to achieve the same effect. We could have cut away a little bit of the seam allowance in the corner of the long tab, but apparently I forgot. Though we can still use the chopstick to massage rather than push or force the corners out, giving us good strong right angles. Final iron, manipulate the tabs into as symmetrical arrows as is efficient and give them a press in place. Once we're happy that all 4 of our pieces are quite similar, we can put them into our Ziploc bag with the buckles.